What makes me laugh as well is my gear. It's gone from black to purple because it's getting so old. On to the playground. Now, that day I had the puncture, I didn't do my nod to the playground. See, if I don't do my nod to the playground when I'm riding this bike, bad things happen. What a cock! Superman! Oh, you're going for a red light there, dude. Oh. I hate this road. It's always red light, red light, red light, red light, red light. Bayswater Road, you suck. She got a baby in there, or a dog? Blimey, when was that last car? When was that last car? When was that car last brought out? Here you go. What's that? Sportster. I know the guy who owns that bike. It's very nice, but I have to say, chrome. I can't be arsed with keeping that clean. Lime green. Yeah, taxi drivers like paid, I don't know how much they pay for those taxis, but it's not cheap. And he's kind of gone, I really fancy mine to be lime green and blue. Oh, come on, love, that's a little bit far out on the road. Weird, jumped out of gear. Don't give me any trouble, please, Norman. Because one, I am absolutely broke, so I need you to be really reliable, baby. Yeah?